Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to change time zone in WeBull application. To change your time zone in WeBull, first of all, launch the WeBull app on your mobile device and log in if necessary. Once you're in the home page or the watch list, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Inside the menu button, go ahead and tap on Settings. Now, click on Chart Settings and then scroll down until you see the time zone option and tap on it. Now select your time zone from the list according to your country. Once you select a time zone, you can now get back and your selection will be automatically saved in the app. And that's how you have successfully updated your time zone in WeBull. Now your charts, trading hours, and alerts will be displayed in your preferred local time. This will make your trading smoother and more efficient. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.